Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Tuesday's Tool on Otram's YouTube channel. Today I thought I would show you our Certiflat welding table, fixture table. This is probably one of the most used tools in the shop. It gets used as just a regular workbench, fixture table, a little bit of everything. Like today you can see I've got a rear main seal housing here. And let me zoom you in a little bit. We've got a rear main seal housing that we're gluing a rear main seal into, and with the sealer not setting, the seal kept wanting to pop out. So we just clamped the housing down flat to the table, put the old rear main seal on top of it, and then just have it lightly clamped to keep everything square while it dries. So you know, we don't even just use this for welding. We use it for clamping everything. Like if we've got to do valve stem seals, we clamp it off the side of the head to make it easier to hold. You can like bolt and fixture anything to this table, and it just makes it really, really nice to work with. And then you can take fixture pegs, stick them in the table, put your piece up against it, you know, take some more pegs this way, and you've got an easily squared jig, you know, and then you can take your clamp and, you know, clamp it down and hold it. But you can do odd shapes, like I did a dining room table, the base to the dining room table on here. I did the base to my lathe on here. And I'll add some pictures, like a slideshow at the end, just some of the random stuff that we've put together on the table. But yeah, it comes as a flat packed kit, and it all tabs and slots together, and you just weld it up. We've got the fab block itself, and then we also bought the stand and the rollers that go with it. They sell a really nice set of casters that lock, and it locks from swiveling. So if you really want to pry on something, it makes it easy to hold still. And then we also ordered from ZT Fab one of his grinder racks and screwed it on the side. Makes it nice to hold all the grinders, keep them in one spot. And then we've got just a toolbox down here on the bottom to hold all of our clamps and levels and markers, everything like that. And then on this side, we've just got a outlet box hooked to an extension cord. So we can roll this out in the middle of the shop, run one extension cord back to the wall, and power all the grinders. And then on the back, we've just got a bar welded, just welded across the back to hold all the clamps. Just really super handy work table to have around. It's flat. You can lay stuff out on it, line things up on it. We clamp across the long edge of it and use it as a way to break sheet metal. Yeah, just we use this thing for everything. It gets rolled all around the shop all the time. Probably one of my favorite tools in the shop. Anyway, just thought we'd show you our welding table this week. I'll add some pictures at the end. If you like what you see, please subscribe below, and we'll see you next Tuesday. Thanks.